ever imagined how does it feel to be at the end of the hills? Neither did I, until I experienced this blissful feeling at Laitloon, where I spent my first morning of Meghalaya journey. Later in the day, we drove down to Jowai to get mesmerized by the sweet melody of famous Krangsuri waterfalls. So recently I took a 5-day trip across this beautiful state in Northeast India, also known as Abode of Clouds. I was there with my friend Ankit, and to take you all through the same experience, we filmed all of it. This is our story of Meghalaya.
Good morning everyone, it's my day 1 in Meghalaya and I'm in Shillong right now. I'm staying at this hotel which is Hotel Gateway Shillong. I'm here with my friend Ankit and we're going to stay here for next 4 days and we're going to explore Meghalaya. Today we have plans of going to this place which is almost 60 kilometers away from Shillong. It's called Laitloon, and later in the day we have plans of going to this waterfall which is known for blue color water. It's called Krangsuri waterfalls. So yeah, like we'll get ready and we'll start from here and I'll keep you all posted.
Sun rises quite early in Meghalaya, and so did we. We got up early at around 4 AM that morning, as we didn't want to miss capturing the stunning views of glaring sun in Laitloon. My past few recent trips and the sleepless nights were clearly taking a toll on me, but the refreshing views on the way kept me awake and took all that fatigue away. The lush green scenes around were truly pleasing to the eyes. While I was capturing these mesmerizing views, we came across a small village, Smith. Where I was humbled by the warm gesture and ever-smiling faces of the people, and later enjoyed a match played by local girls, which truly defines the free-spirited souls who they are.
लाइटलूम किधर है लाइटलूम सीधा
I was enjoying each and every moment, and soon we reached our first location for the day, Laitloon Grand Canyons.
This place looks so dope, man.
Yeah, man, this place looks like Malshej Ghat, you know?
Exactly like Malshej Ghat without many people.
Yeah, it is so peaceful, you know, full of clouds, nobody's here. So this place is called Laitloon. It's around 30 kilometers from Shillong. So if you're coming to Shillong, then don't miss out this place. It's so amazing.
Yeah, I think a lot of people tend to miss out on this place because it's off the way.
Exactly.
But it's totally worth it. Like, you know, we got up early. So it's totally worth it getting up that early and coming to this place. Yeah. Because it's so peaceful, man. It's so peaceful. Like, look at the view.
You welcome nature with open arms, and the nature never fails to disappoint you. Laitloon was no less than a magic. There were just clouds around, till wherever your eyes could see. So fine was the morning there. The land and sky looked all one fabric, as if the hills were stuck high up in the sky or the clouds had dropped down onto the land.
Oh my god, इतनी अच्छी जगह कैसे हो सकती है? कोई भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
As the clouds were getting heavier and time was passing by, we decided to make a move to our next location for the day, Krangsuri Waterfalls via Shillong. We were already running late from our schedule, and as we entered Shillong, we got stuck in a heavy traffic jam, which got me a little concerned.
Dude,
Yeah.
do you think we'll be able to make it?
No, I don't think so practically because it's almost gonna take 3 hours and it's already 2 o'clock and I guess we'll reach by 5 and 5:30 no sunlight, right? So I don't think so, man. We're late, very late.
We just need like half an hour of light.
Yeah, just half hours of sunlight. But it's the traffic is too much, man, and we're still in Shillong.
Soon the traffic started moving, and after leaving Shillong, the views around literally just blew my mind. We made it to the parking spot for Krangsuri Waterfalls right before sunset, and we were soon running on the downward trails to the falls.
So we have just made it to the waterfall. Like what you see right behind me is the Krangsuri waterfall. And the water over here looks really blue. Like it's literally blue and it feels really amazing. So yeah, like I'll fly my drone over here and I'll just show you the aerial perspective of the place.
There it was, standing tall, pouring all its love over me, the beautiful Krangsuri Waterfalls. Looking down through the clouds, I could feel what a little speck we are in the universe. And still we are bound by certain perceptions. But in the sky, there are no boundaries, no differences of caste, religion or race. All it has to offer is a ray of hope to be able to see the light despite all the darkness. And that's all for the day. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next part from my point of view, Meghalaya.
Because we are waiting for a long time, but the clouds are still there.
But actually, we made it on time. That's a big thing, man.
Let's just hope like we get a
And
flight
the roads
drone
were
over there.
so amazing, so beautiful.
Pretty
Seriously,
good, man.
must
Like-
visit place.
Yeah, you must visit this place, man. Like the roads are pretty dope.
Yep.